आपको रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ 5 स्टार में रहने का मौका दिया जा रहा है. They have delivered unexpected deliveries in Gurugram that is bang on golf course road. Interiors done by Gansler, who has been worldwide phenomenal. The social infra near Godrej Astra is completely developed. Now they are coming on golf course road by this ultra luxurious segment.
This video is for information purposes only and it brings on current real estate trends in India.
Hi, this is Navjot with Propertyverse, and today we are talking about the new launch of Godrej development on golf course road by the name of Godrej Extra Sector 54. Godrej launch कर रहा है अपनी एक ultra luxurious property that is bang on golf course road in sector 54. In this video, we will be unveiling all the key aspects related to Godrej Extra, that how it's being built up, on which theme it's being built up, all the renowned partners that are associated with Godrej Extra. So let's start the video, but before that, I would love to introduce Godrej to you. Mostly जितने भी लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, they know about Godrej. Godrej was an FMCG brand that shifted gradually into real estate. They have delivered unexpected deliveries in Gurugram. They have given us Aristocrat, Vriksha, all those things, and now they are coming on golf course road by this ultra luxurious segment, and this is Godrej Extra. Before moving forward in the video, मैंने वीडियो की शुरुआत में आपसे एक बात कही थी कि इफ आई से कि आपको रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ 5 स्टार में रहने का मौका दिया जा रहा है और आपको सारी जिंदगी 5 स्टार में गुजारनी है, तो आप सोचोगे कि नवजोत तो पागल हो गया है, ब्लफ कर रहा है, ही इज जोकिंग. बट you can make this come true क्योंकि ये property Godrej Extra is being built up on the theme of a 5-star hotel, giving you all those things a 5-star has given to you. आप सभी ने 5-star hotel visit किया होगा और 5-star hotel डिजाइन ही इस तरीके से होते हैं ताकि वो एक इमेज और एक रेपुटेशन क्रिएट कर पाए विजिटर के दिमाग पे, और इसी थीम को लेकर Godrej अपना ये नया वाला डेवलपमेंट लॉन्च कर रहा है. Okay, so let's talk about the project. It's a 2.76 acre land parcel with 2 majestic towers lying from G+28 to G+35. Only 151 residences are chosen to be live here. There is a massive clubhouse of 40,000 square feet with all ultra luxurious modern amenities that is very much sufficient for a 151 residences project. तो इसमें basically दो layouts available हैं, एक 3 BHK का है और एक 4 BHK का है, starting from 3,050 square feet to 4,200 square feet. As I said that this property is completely based on 5-star theme, so the name that are working with Godrej Extra are also very renowned. The architect is managed by UHL London. Interiors done by Gansler, who has been worldwide phenomenal, and landscaping is done by Cooper Hills, who are the expert of designing landscaping. This place is for the people who value art and networking, as you are getting a triple height art gallery of 4,000 plus square feet, plus the neighborhood surrounding Godrej Extra are also very much important. Godrej Extra is adjacent to Sector 54 metro station and is the most premium location of Golf Course Road, which gives you feel of luxury and inclusivity with nearby landmark destinations like Horizon 1 and 2, DLF Camellias, Aralias, nearby Hilton Doubletree Hotel, malls, office spaces, markets, schools and hospital. The social infra near Godrej Extra is completely developed. This place is for the people who refuse to compromise and wants to live the life to the fullest. As I already told you that you are getting 2 towers in it, और आने वाले फ्यूचर में उसके आसपास कोई और डेवलपमेंट आने नहीं वाली है, तो आपको दोनों साइड से यू कैन से कि आपको दोनों साइड से अच्छा व्यू, एक साइड से आपको गोल्फ रोड का व्यू मिलता है और दूसरी साइड से आपको अरावली का व्यू मिलता है. Each apartment has a wrap around balcony where you can experience peace and tranquility with breathtaking views. You are getting a private left lobby with each apartment. As I already told that this is a ultra luxurious development. You are getting 3-tier security in Godrej Extra, plus all the luxury interiors like modular kitchen, master bedroom with closets, and double glazed windows of all premium brands working together. Let's have a chat and we will make sure that you won't regret investing in Godrej Extra. Let's not make this video very big. Let's have a quick discussion on a call regarding Godrej Extra. We have some exclusive deals, we have some exclusive unit, especially for you. You can rely us on your guaranteed allotment on your preferred locations. The numbers are flashing on your screen. You can call us now to have a discussion about Godrej Extra. This is Navjot Singh signing off. Propertyverse, real estate sahi hai.